Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you are going to use your pad if you have heavy flows. Some people have heavy flows and they don't know what to do about it, aside from seeking medical help, or maybe it's natural, because some people have natural heavy flow. So, and sometimes I need to see some people, they run around the toilet because it's already soaked in. So, just a short, quick video. If you are looking for a ways to stay longer in your pad more than 2 hours, you have to use something like this, or any type of pad you have. This is a night routine pad, but I am going to show you what you are going to do with this pad. So this is a normal pad. You are going to open it. When you open it, you turn the back side, and then this is the downside, and this is the topper layer. So this side will stay by this under your private area, and this one is the front side. So I am going to flip it over, remove the back, and then use my fingertip or anything that is available that is sharp. Just remove the back side. Do not remove the inner side, just remove the plastic side and the back. And like this, and just be careful with it. If you have all those bigger pad, it will even be better, and I prefer using this flat one. It's not an advert, but and one other one for also, it's always pad and with this type. So the back is like this now, and what you are going to do is to open another pad here, open this one, and then remove this like this, and then take this one here and put it in. This is not only for only heavy flow. If you are the kind of person that is lazy to wake up at night, this will carry you for a long hours, at least once. Yes, you don't need to walk up 100 times to go and check yourself in the bathroom. So you just place it on top, and then close it, close the wing slide. So take these wings and put it to the second wings, and voila, cover it like so. And then you can leave it in your bag even, or your toilet, anywhere, so that whenever you need them, you can take them. You can do as many as you want, and you can use them for your night routine, day routine, or when you have gone to work, you can use it for work. And it's even better, put it in your bag. You don't need to run around, just take it out and put it in. When you are going to work, you will stay long in the desk or wherever you are working before start going to the toilet. And um after that, I am going to introduce to you our Fifi Naturals Feminine Intimate Hygiene Wash. It is unscented, and it is good for your feminine area. You don't want to miss it. So good. It is just a feminine wash. You can use it once a day or twice a day, depending on how many times you take your shower. It helps remove body odor, like the on the at the private area. It helps remove odor, unpleasant scent. um it keeps it clean generally. It is natural hygiene soap that it has balanced pH for your V area. It is so good. It is 100% natural. Click on the link below if you live in the UK and you are interested in this soap. It is vegan, 100% natural. If you have itchy V area, apart from infection, if you have infection, please visit your doctor. While you are treating yourself, this you can use this as well. It will help you relieve your V area from itchiness. If you have dry V area, your dry V area, it will give it a wet area. It will make it very, very soft and wet. Not really wet that it will be so watery, but it hydrates your V area. It gives it moisture. You don't need a dry V area. Yes. And when it comes to the other side, um you see that you will notice that you always have wet V area. You don't want a dry V area. It is so cracky. So that is why we have prepared this soap for you, to prevent odor, itchy V area, and to also moisturize and give your V area hydration. Until I come your way next time, please subscribe to our channel if you have not, because we are going to continue coming to this channel. It's been a long while, and thank you for watching my video. And click on the link below. You can get yours now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.